Video, we're going to pick up where we left off with our clean data that had our average listing price, latitude, and longitude. If you want to see how we got to that data, please take a look at the previous videos. In this video, we're going to cover the alert design folder here, flow. So from the last video, we're going to import our housing. So let's peek that really quickly to get a refresher about what our data looks like. So as we peek that, we see that we have the state code, the latitude, the longitude, the postal code, zip name, and the average listing price. And this is the data that we use to create that nice map box. Then say we want to filter based on the average listing price. Say, someone's only looking in the $300,000 and less range. So we then filter. We then make 2 copies of the data. 1 copy we export locally, we called it Massachusetts Houses, and 1 copy we use to send an email notification to, right now, my email. We can subject here, we can set the subject to anything we want. Houses under 300K, body, these attached are relevant houses. And then the day of the month, today is the 11th, so let's update that. Now, let's run this flow and make sure it works and make sure that I got the email as well. And then we will also go to recreate this flow from the start, and I'll show you guys how the email notification works and everything. It's a relatively simple flow, not too bad. So the flow ran. Let's go and take a look to make sure that we got that email. So here it is. We have houses under 300K was our subject, attached to relevant houses, that was our body. And let's take a look at it and make sure that these houses are indeed under 300K, and we get this nice data in a CSV. All of these, as you can see, are under 300,000, and that would give the buyer a sense of what areas they should look in. These zip codes are the ones that have an average listing price of under 300,000.